off so y'all can see me. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Shaunie Ditl, your favorite mommy vloggy, and I am back again for another video. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad that each and every one of y'all are here. Picked up the camera and decided, hey, I need to see y'all need to see me. So what's good? My son is supposed to get a haircut today, so I'm not gonna sit and chat too long. Hopefully I'll check back in with y'all. What's up, family? It's your girl Shaunie D back again. I think I'm doing a continuation vlog, so this is like not the beginning, this is like the next day. Anyways, I am at work and I have to leave early to take my baby girl, my oldest daughter, to her 18-month appointment, doctor appointment. Say hello.
Oh.
Hi. Say hi.
Hey.
Yeah. Say we're at Ellie's doctor's appointment. About to get undressed, okay? Uh-huh. So Ellie's waiting for the doctor. Why are you looking like that? You gonna be nice when the doctor get here? You gonna be nice when the doctor come in? Say yes.
Yes.
Good job. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Ellie. Y'all, she done took her little... Why you took your band-aid off? She just got her shorts.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, uh-oh. So we are back. We are finished from our doctor's appointment. Isn't that right, Ellie girl? Don't pull your hair. Don't pull your hair. Say hi.
Hey.
You had a good time with your doctor?
Hey.
Yes? Yes? She said it's over. She had to get a couple shots, but she did really good. She cried a little bit, but she stopped crying before the nurse could even left the room. She told her bye, so it was very sweet. We got some KFC. We got a bucket. I got a bucket for the family. Hey, girl. Usually I don't do my little sessions with them in the car, but I had to get her early for her appointment. Sometimes I just like to stop and remind myself to be grateful for where I am, what I have, and not just that, but also for those that helped me get here. So it's just great to have an attitude of gratitude and just be positive when you're out and just try to be, you know, encouraging to others and be grateful. And especially for those that you love, letting them know like, hey, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for all of the things that you do and the sacrifices that they probably had to make that even to this day you may not know or ever know about. You know, it takes a lot to raise a child, as I'm learning, and we all know. So whatever somebody had to do, or somebody's had to do and sacrifice for you to be where you are, you know, it's just a great time to show an attitude of gratitude. So that's what I wanted to put in the atmosphere for you to hear and receive today. When you gonna stop pulling that hair, girl? It's like she does it as a comforting thing. I have no idea, but that's my little hair puller. She's been doing it since she was like 6 months, probably. I don't even know. Say good morning, Leah. Say hi. Say hi. It's about 6. It's probably about 6:30 now. She got up at like 5:45 or so, hungry, ready to eat. She slept through the night because she's a great baby. And then remember, you great baby. She slept through the night, so she got up about 5:45, ready to eat. She was hungry, so we're up bright and early. Her siblings aren't even up yet. Elijah and Eliana, they're still sleeping. They're still sleeping, so she gets some one-on-one mommy time, which we both enjoy. So I just wanted to tap in and say hello and good morning. And today is Sunday. And today I'm excited because me and my husband might get a chance to go to the movies together. We're thinking about going to see the new Thor. And my mom has agreed to come over and watch the kids for us so we can have some time to go out to the movies with just us. Here comes Maya. They're my sweet baby. She's such a sweetie. She have a serious look. But she's a sweetie. When she get to know you, she's a sweetie. My baby, I love her so much. Anyways, I will see y'all in a bit. The sun's coming in. Alright, I am back. I have made breakfast for the kids. Let me show y'all. Baby girl. That's Aaliyah. Right here. Hi, Mama. And then I have breakfast. We got eggs, waffles, sausage, applesauce, and milk for both the kids. And now I'm getting ready to get them up to eat breakfast. The kiddos are up and eating. Say good morning, Elijah. Good morning, Alien. She's eating too. Yeah. Eating?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh what?
Uh-oh.
Eat. Uh-huh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey, to show y'all our breakfast too, because you know, when you're married, you can't just make breakfast for the kids, you gotta make breakfast for your husband too. So that's his food, I got my food as well, and now we are about to eat. Uh-oh. So hello. Hi guys, so we're at the movies. We're about to go see Thor. I do not know the rest of the name, but
Love and Thunder.
Love and Thunder. We're about to see the new Thor. So I just wanted to see y'all actually look like something, because the last time y'all saw me, I had on a bonnet. But anyways, I will see y'all in a little bit and let y'all know how it is.
Be your name before sharing.